So hello students, now we'll be discussing Sainik GK for all the question paper for previous year from 2018 onwards. Okay, so here if you see what is the question, first question is what, that is which feature helps a coconut fruit to float in the water. You may have seen the coconut will float on the water, right? So why it will float, let us see. So here fibrous outer covering, spongy part, or presence of hook and presence of spine. So presence of hook and presence of spine will not be answered. So you may be confused in this fibrous outer covering and spongy part. So answer is fibrous outer covering. What will be the answer? Fibrous outer covering. Because if you see, that will be what? It will not let the water get in, right? So if you may have seen, when you remove that outer part, there will be spongy part inside, like red color little bit. Outside part will be green, so that won't let water get in. So spongy part will absorb water and it will become heavy and it will fall down. So the fibrous outer covering will be the answer, option A here. Understand? So students, next question, what is the answer? Which of the following is non-communicable disease? Yes, berry. Yes. So berry is a deficiency. Deficiency what? Disease. That is, it is caused by the vitamin deficiency. Okay. So chicken pox is a what? It can spread common cold and measles. These are all diseases which can spread. Communicable means the diseases which can spread, the diseases which can spread from one person to other, right? So chicken pox, you know, there will be small dots on the skin, right? Black dots will be there. That is chicken pox. Okay. Yes. Okay, good. So berry is caused by the deficiency of B1 vitamin, vitamin B1 or vitamin B. Okay, remember that. Next, 53. Rabies is carried by which animal? It is dogs. Okay, it is carried by dogs. Okay, so if any doubt you can ask, we'll discuss. Otherwise, we'll go to next question. Understand?
Sir, what is reversible change?
Huh?
What is reversible change?
I will explain.
I know chemical and physical
Yes.
change, sir.
Okay. So see here, milk turning sour is which change? Chemical change. Okay. Yes, chemical change. We cannot reverse it. Back. Okay. So we cannot reverse it back. It is a which change? It is chemical change. So reversible. There are different changes given in the options, right? So let us see one by one. So physical change means, right? So
Something physically is
yes.
Sir, in body.
Yes. Okay. So if you take balloon, the balloon, if you blow, it will become bigger, and if you remove the air, it will become smaller, right? That is a physical change, right? Yes. Now if you, this is your finger, if you press this will become smaller, then if you release, it will become larger, like that. Physical change. Okay. So that is applying the pressure, that is the physical change. Reversible change means, that is, it is a reversible change, right? So when you stretch that is elastic band or rubber, then again it will come back. That is reversible change, right? So that is a reversible change. Okay, it will come back to original, right? That is a reversible. In physical change, sometimes it may not come back also. Okay, understand? Yes. So chemical changes, it may not be possible to come back, right? Isn't it? So that is chemical change. Okay, so that is different changes are there. So milk turning sour, that is milk becoming curd or anything, that is a chemical change. Got it? So next question, 55. So wearing of carrying away soil,
Sir,
by the action of water or wind,
sir,
is called what?
Cheese is a chemical change.
So next question is 55. So wearing of or carrying away soil by the action of water or wind. So you may have seen, when wind will come, what will happen? The dust will be carried away, or when rain will come, When rain will come, dust will be carried away, it will become clean. So that is what we say, soil erosion. That we say it as soil erosion. Okay, so option C is the answer. So option D, deforestation. Deforestation is the reason for what? Wearing off. Because trees, you may have seen, when the trees will be there, they hold the ground. They hold the ground, and they, if you put water also, it will absorb the water. It will not be carried away, right? So that is how. So trees help. Deforestation is removing the, cutting the trees. Forestation means planting the trees. Deforestation means cutting the trees or removing the trees. Okay, understand? So next question here, whale and dolphins are classified as, they are classified mammals because they give birth to babies and they feed the babies with the milk. Okay, so what they do, like humans, all the mammals means mammary gland. You know, children's, small child will drink the milk from the mother, like that. So any animal who has mammary glands, right? The child drinks mother's milk, right? That is mammary gland. Mammary glands means that is a mammal, right? So whale childrens and dolphin childrens drink milk from the mother. That is why they are mammals. Okay, understand? Don't be confused here. So students, that is the next question, right? So the next question is what? If you see here, the working of the internal organs of our body is controlled by nervous system. Nervous system means our whole body is connected through the nerves. Okay, so all the parts of the body, right? So they send signal to our brain, right? So if you touch any hot object or put your hand in hot water, you will remove it. So that is signal is sending to the brain. Okay, so that is how it works. Understand? That is the nervous system. Okay, so that we say it as nerves. Okay, fine. So the answer will be option D here. Now here one more. So the other options are there. Reproductive system. Reproductive system means that is to reproduce the offspring. Okay, yes. So male organ, female organs will be there, reproductive organs. Respiratory system means that is we take the air in and out, right? So that goes through the nose to the till the what? Lungs. That is respiratory. Air we take, breathing, whatever air we breathe and send it out, that is respiratory system. Circulatory system is blood circulation, right? It involves what? Veins and our that is heart, right? Veins, heart, and then it goes, the impure blood goes to the lungs, gets pure and all. That is related to the blood. Okay, yes. So here 58 question, a person might faint if his heart does not send enough blood to his brain. Brain is most required because it is controlling all the parts of the body, right? Your thoughts and everything, right? So brain is the most important part. Okay, so you will faint means you will fall down, chakkar, you know, right? So you will feel dizzy, or chakkar we say. So chakkar bidru ant ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, that is faint. Okay, understand? So see here, next question 59. So the upward push of water on a floating object is called buoyant force. We say it as buoyant force. Okay, option A. So here if you put a ball, that is hollow ball, okay, so in the water it will float, you may have seen, right? So that floating water will be pushing it up. If you try to push in, you may have seen, if you try to push in, it will come back up, right? So that pressure is there, right? It is pushing upward. That is, we say it as buoyant force. Okay, that we say it as buoyant force. Understand? So see here, buoyant force will be depending upon the how much water is displaced, means it is how much, you may have seen ships will be very big, large ships will be there, right? Yes, so that is they displace so much water here. So area, maximum time, it depends upon the area and the density of the object. Okay, understand? So see here, So the next question is, the first artificial satellite launched by India in 1975 is Aryabhatta. Which satellite? Aryabhatta. So Sputnik 1 is there, right? Sputnik 1 is Russian satellite. They launched in the whole of the world. In the whole world, the first satellite was launched by Russia. Okay. So that is Sputnik 1. If they ask first ever satellite by any nation, any country, means Sputnik 1. In India, first satellite was Aryabhatta. Okay, understand? So here next question, those who study earthquake is called seismologist. Okay, you know seismograph, you may have seen, that will be like this, right? So if it goes up and more, so much up and down, means there is heavy movement of the earth. If that is heavy movement, means that is like earthquake. Okay, right? Yes, so that we said as seismograph. So seismologist is the answer. Now let us see about different. Here they are given options, right? So geologist means study of earth. Geo means earth. Geologist means study of earth. Inside the earth, soil is there, rocks are there, different rocks will be there, different stones will be there. That and all, they will study everything. That is geologist. Okay. So astronomer, you know astronomer means study of, that is outer space, right? Study of outer space, that is sky and all, what is there in the sky, right? So astrologer means what? Astrologer means position of the planets. Astrologer studies the position of the planets. What? Position of planets. You may have seen, they will see the bhavishya, that is bhavishyavani, or what will happen next. So they see what is the position, they will tell like Shani, Shukra, they will tell like that, right? So that is, they study the position of the planets and tell it. Okay, understand? So next question is 62. Which of the following gases is not a greenhouse gas? So that is, oxygen is not a greenhouse gas. So if you see carbon dioxide, greenhouse gas means the gases which hold the heat. The gases which hold the heat. You may have heard of global warming. Global warming is happening. Means if you see mainly in the summer or any weather, it is now it is very hot. Before it is not to be hot. So global warming is hot, getting hotter and hotter days, right? That is, before the summer used to be not that much hot, now it is very hot, right? So what is happening? The sun, from the heat from the sun, heat from the water vapors, those are all, what is happening? That is getting trapped in the earth atmosphere, right? Heat is getting trapped in the earth atmosphere, so it is becoming hotter. So that because of that, global warming will happen. So what are the things that make greenhouse gases? That is, which of the gas hold the heat? Carbon dioxide, methane, and then CFC, your water vapor, right? Water vapor will be heat, right? So those are all what? Greenhouse gases. They hold the heat and make it hotter. Okay? So those are the greenhouse gases. So oxygen is not a greenhouse gas. Okay? That is essential for the survival, right? So see here, students, if you see, carbon dioxide is there, right? So carbon dioxide is, you know, it is bad. So CO2, you release the carbon dioxide. That is why they tell plant more trees, right? Methane is like your gas cylinder will be there, right? In that there will be ethane, right? So methane is also same. We can ignite it and use for cooking. So you may have heard of that is biogas. That is, they make from the biogas plant. That is cow dung and all. That is, we produce methane from cow dung. Okay, that is a biogas. That is also a gas we can use for the cooking and everything. Okay, that is methane. CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. So chlorofluorocarbon, in the earlier days, it is used to be in the freezer, right? Your fridge is there, so it gets cooled. So they used to use CFC chemical. Nowadays it has been changed. Okay, so that is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Okay. So see here. So next 63. So the model of the earth is called globe. Okay, so that is globe, we know. So you may have seen the India map, all the world map will be there, that will be round and it will rotate, right? It will be like this. In your school or something you may have seen, that is a globe, right? So you can see here, so globe. Okay, okay, so this is the globe, right? Why is it not coming? This is the globe. Okay, that is the model of the earth. Understand? Okay. So see here, next question. Agriculture cannot be practiced on mountains on a large scale because they have thin soil cover. You may have seen mountains will be like this. So what will happen? As the rain comes, as the rain falls, the soil will wash away. That is why they do the terrace farming like this, right? So they do like this and like this and like this, right? So to avoid that soil erosion. So that is why. So it will have soil cover, thin soil cover. Okay, so other options, if you see, they are thinly populated. Yes, they are thinly populated. If there are less people also, we can plant the trees, we can plant the different fruit trees and all, right? That is not the problem. Have shortage of land, there will be so much land on mountains, it is free land, that is wherever you can go, it will be stretched, right? Big mountains are there is so much, no problem. So D is have unsuitable climate, not like that. If it is hotter also, if it is cold also, there are some trees, there are some crops which can be grown in the cold also, right? So that is not the suitable answer. Only thin cover, it will have thin cover, it will be difficult, so the soil will get away, right? That is why, that is we said as soil erosion. Understand? So students, 65 question. What is the question? The condition of the atmosphere at a given place and time is called weather. So weather is given time, at given place and time, that is exact time, at the exact time we say it as weather. Okay, and climate is for the long period of time, that is more than 1 week, right? Month, and it can be years also, year together, 1 year, whole year, right? So that is climate. Okay, for long period of time, exact time at the given time means it is weather. You know altitude, altitude means height, how much height it is, altitude of the mountain, they say, so that is the height of the mountain, right? That is height. Season, you know, rainy season, winter season and all. Okay, okay, good. So see here, next question, that is 66. Highway of Central Africa is for the river Congo, so that flows in the African region. Okay, so river Congo. Why? Because they in the before olden days they used to go through the river on the boat. Okay, they used to go on the boat. Okay, so that is why it is said as highway. Okay, understand? So see here, next question. The most grasslands of the world are found in temperate zone. Okay, so that is temperate is in the middle. So there are 3 zones. You may have seen that Antarctica, Arctic, that are on South Pole and North Pole, that is all freeze, that is frozen, freeze, right? That is ice. So that is why we say it as freezed zone, that is white part here. Okay, bottom part. Next here in the in between, that is yellowish, that is temperate. The as we go towards the middle, that is the equator, it will become hotter and hotter. So this temperate zone is in between, that will be little not so cold, not so hot also. So that is temperate. Temperate means moderate, temperate means moderate temperature. Next, this in near the equator in the middle, that will be torrid or tropical, we say it as torrid or tropical, that will be so heat, so much heat. So grasslands, you know, grasslands means growing grass, grass grows, right? You may have seen, if there is so much heat, grass will die away, right? Grass will die away. So in the torrid and tropical, that will not be possible, it will be possible in the temperate. So grasslands, grasslands means growing grass, that is grass will be there so much. You may have seen trees, that is forest, right? Grasslands is grass, grass will be there. You may have seen in the that is Discovery Channel and all, in the Discovery Channel, right? In the Discovery Channel, the elephants, the different animals will be rearing in the what? Grasslands, right? So there will be so much mountains of grass, right? So that is grassland. So it will be in maximum in the temperate zone, because the temperature will be moderate, suitable for the grass to grow. If it is high, like in the torrid zone, they will die away. Maximum forests will be there here, okay, in the torrid zone. Understand? Students, next question is what? Aligarh Muslim University is associated with Syed Ahmad Khan. He is the founder of the university. He started that university. Okay, founder of the university, Syed Ahmad Khan. Okay, remember it. Apart from that, if you see Rabindranath Tagore is the person who started that is Gurukulam system. Okay, that is Shantiniketan school. You may have heard of, right? So Rabindranath Tagore started Shantiniketana school. Okay, so that is a Gurukulam system of school. Okay, Kalidas. So Kalidas is a poet, Kavi. Okay, poet. Okay, so this you should remember. Yes. So see here. So we saw Kalidasa is a Kavi. Tansen is also what? Is a musician. He was in the Akbar's Darbar. Akbar King Darbar. Okay, so he was a musician. He used to play music. Okay, understand? Okay. Students, here it is. Next question. Any sound louder than 90 decibel can cause loss of hearing, option D, because it will be harmful for your ears. So that is why you should not put earphone for so long. Okay, so you should take break in between 15 minutes, and you should not put so much loud sound. Okay, it should be normal sound, right? It will cause your ears pain after so much. If you continuously do it daily, if you do it, your ears will start paining and you will lose hearing. It will go away. Now it will not come back, right? Like if you cut your hand, will it come back? It will not come. It will not grow back, right? So that is why you should be very careful. Understand? So don't use earphone for a long time. Don't use at high volume. Small volume. If it is audible, that's enough. Don't be so much of hype. Okay? Hype is very dangerous. Understand? Yes. So see here. Next question 70. The English government introduced the policy of divide and rule too. English government means Britishers were there before, right? Before India got independence, they used to rule us. So what they used to do? They used to, if there are two if there are two brothers fighting each other, they used to support one. They used to support one person and then war between them. So if they will win, when they will win, they used to control him, like that. They used to divide in between, right? So that is to suppress the nationalism, right? So that is how they got so much of the hold on India, right? Yes. So next question, that is 72. So here Purna Swaraj means it is complete independence, that is freedom. Okay, so we got, India got freedom, complete freedom, that is Purna Swaraj. Okay, next. So see here, next question. Lok Sabha maximum number of members will be 552, option B. That is Lok Sabha, you elect the MP, right? Member of Parliament, MP. That is you elect in the district, right? That is the person who is elected to the Lok Sabha. Understand? That is the lower house. So Lok Sabha is the lower house, right? That is 552 members. And you know Rajya Sabha, right? So Rajya Sabha is 250 members. How many members? 250 members. That is the upper house. Okay, understand? So here if you see next question, that is League of Nations was formed to prevent another world war. So you know that is United Nations Organization, UNO. So UNO is now, right? So after World War One, it was very much loss. So big war, World War One, right? So to prevent that any future war, big wars, so they formed the League of Nations. Means that is all the top nations came together and they told that there should not be bigger wars and all like that wars. So they formed the regulation and all, but also no one listened and World War II happened. World War II happened. So after that World War II, they stopped the League of Nations. They stopped the League of Nations and they started UNO, United Nation Organization, right? So after that 1945, in the 1945 UNO, United Nations started, right? That is to control the wars and to promote the peace, to stop the wars, right? So see here, so next question, the world has been made smaller due to fast means of transport. You know, planes, aeroplane, right? So train, bus is there. Let us take bus, and your right, then aeroplane. So aeroplane will take only, so I will write only plane. So aeroplane will only take 1 hour. Bus will take how much? It will take more than 8 hours for 1 hour, right? So that is why you are connecting. You are easy. We can go easily. We can reach any other place. So what we will do? If aeroplane means you will stay in other city and come back to work and then go back, right? Like that. So that is why fast means of transport, option C is the answer. That is made smaller. Okay. So see here, next 75. So internet is a source of information on any topic in the internet, like Google, Bing, then any day you search it, what you will get? You will get, if anything you will search, you will get the information. That is any topic is the answer, option C. Okay, on the internet. Understand?